गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू योर सिटी, जहाँ पे एंटरटेनमेंट और ट्रैवल का तड़का होगा साथ साथ। तो आज हम बात करेंगे कुछ इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट्स से जो इंडिया में अपने घर से हजारों मील दूर यहाँ पे रहते हैं। तो हम उनसे जानेंगे उनको इंडियन कल्चर कैसा लगा और कैसे वो सरवाइव करते हैं इंडिया में एकदम डिफरेंट कल्चर में। So let's begin. Hi, what's your name and where are you from?
Hello, I'm Nicholas. I'm from South Sudan.
Hi, what's your name?
My name is Bushe Bebe
So where are you from?
from Zimbabwe.
Hi, what's your name?
My name is Chibamba Msonda.
Where are you from?
I'm from Zambia.
Hi, what's your name?
My name is Omokul Somortana Mukaddes.
Where are you from?
I'm from Nigeria.
Hi, what's your name?
My name is Karen Nanyaro.
And where are you from?
I'm from Tanzania.
Hi, what's your name?
My name is Mchulesi Gumbo.
Where are you from?
I'm from Zimbabwe.
Okay, so what made you choose India for your further studies?
Well, the thing is, I've always been fascinated about visiting India. For instance, the dressing sense, the saris, everything. And even the festivals themselves are amazing. So, plus, I have a few Bollywood personnels that I love.
What made you choose India?
Because I like India in terms of occasions and in terms of entertainments, and the most things I like India. I like about their movies. I know a lot of their actors.
What made you choose India for your further studies?
Basically, I got a scholarship here, so I chose to study.
Okay, so how are you managing the cultural differences in India?
It's not so bad. It's not so bad because some of them relate to my culture.
Do you like the climate of India?
Honestly, no. It's either too hot or too cold. So
What do you want to say about culture of India?
Well, culture, I don't know about the whole India, but I can say about Punjab. I think the culture is overall is welcoming, a bit homey, so I'm not missing home that much. So yeah, the culture is welcoming, and also I like the food.
Best thing about India?
The best thing about India is the cultural diversity and food.
What do you want to say about Indian culture and Indian food?
In Indian food is really good because I like spicy food, so everything here is very spicy. So I enjoy eating.
Which one is your favorite dish?
My favorite food is paratha
Paratha.
and this rice. And how do you call it? I'm forgetting the name.
Have you explored some places like Jalandhar, Fagwada, Market? Have you explored some of the cities nearby?
yeah, I have explored like Jalanda, but that's as far as I've gone. I've never gone further than that.
Have you explored nearby places here in Punjab?
Yes, I went to Chandigarh and I went to I forgot the name of the zoo, and we went to also I think is it national, is it, I don't know, Air Force is it museum? I think I forgot the names though. I'm not good with names. I also went to Jalandhar also, places like that. So yeah.
Any places you have explored here nearby?
Let's say Ludhiana.
Okay, and something special about Ludhiana which you felt?
I miss Ludhiana because a lot of my friends from there. But part of things I went for parties.
Must visit place in India where you would like to take your parents also.
Like, come again?
Must visit place in India where you would like to take your parents also with you.
Okay. Let's say Dehradun.
Dehradun. By the way, I am from Uttarakhand itself, and Dehradun is in my state.
Oh yeah, there's a time I visited Dehradun and I like that place.
Yeah, it is very beautiful. Have you explored Jalandhar?
No, not really.
Have you explored any places nearby in India?
Not really.
You have not explored anywhere.
No, I haven't gone anywhere. I'm hoping to go this summer.
Have you explored nearby places in Punjab?
I only went to Jalanda, Chandigarh, and Ludhiana so far, and then I went to Delhi for some things.
Would you like to date any Indian guy?
No, because also because of my religion like that, and culture also, the culture I'm from is so different. So no, really.
Do you want to date any Indian girl?
I don't think of that, but if I get chance,
You like Indians?
yeah, I like, of course. It's not bad.
Have you ever gone on the date in Jalandhar?
A date? Yes, I have a couple of times. Few restaurants here and there. I can't think of the names right now, but
Biggest red flag in the Indian girl?
biggest red flag in the Indian. Um, let's see. The thing is, I've never actually dated an Indian, so I don't think I have any at the moment.
Okay, so you want to date an Indian girl?
Honestly, I don't mind. I don't think I would mind. Yeah, it's not really that important.
Do you like Indians?
Yes.
Would you like to date any Indian guy?
Date Indian guy. If he's Christian, sure.
Okay. Would you like to date any Indian girl?
Would I like to what?
Or would you like to date any Indian girl in future?
Yeah, if I get a chance, then.
You like Indians?
Yeah, I like Indians.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, biggest red flag in an Indian girl?
Eh?
Biggest red flag in an Indian girl?
No, I'm not going to say anything about that.
Okay. Which food do you like the most?
Dosa.
Okay, dosa. So, can you please sing a Hindi song for us?
Sure. तुम पास आए, यूं मुस्कुराए, तुम जितना चाहे ता सपने दिखाए.
पर्वतों को चाहूंगी, मैं पर्वतों को चाहूंगी, इस चादरे वर जाऊंगी, मैं पर्वतों को चाहूंगी.
Wow, such a beautiful voice. You don't know the meaning of this
What
song?
does it mean?
मैं फिर भी तुमको चाहूंगा मतलब I love you at any cost. Even if I die also, then also I love you.
Wow.
Which actor do you like the most?
Yeah, I like Akshay Kumar. He's my
Okay.
favorite.
Okay. So do you want to share any good experience
About
about India
India.
or Indian people?
Indian people are good. There are some Indian people who are good and some are bad because, like we meet different people in this world. So most Indians are good. I like them. They are really good. They make us as Africans feel comfortable in their place. So everything is fine.
So how is your experience in India?
Well, overall, my experience is good. I haven't socialized much, but I think with the few friends I have, it was good. And I've been around Punjab and Chandigarh with my friends from Nigeria, and it was amazing.
Any good experience you want to share?
Well, I think my experience, apart from LPU, I think it's good, and I haven't done much, so it was only studying. But I think about just going out with my friends, that freedom of going out with friends and just having fun. So yeah, I think that.
So how is your experience in India?
My experience here is just fine. I'm enjoying my stay here and I'm exploring a lot of things here. So everything is good for now. I don't know whether maybe there will be some changes later, but for now everything is just fine.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Bhushi. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So that's it for the video, guys. Hope you have enjoyed this video. And if you have enjoyed, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.